Welcome to Straw. Ever wondered how a single damaged cell can lead to cancer's devastating spread? Let's uncover this step by step. Cancers are classified by origin. Carcinomas start in skin or organ linings, sarcomas in bones or muscles, leukemias in blood cells, and lymphomas in immune cells. Cancer begins when carcinogens or mutations damage DNA, starting with initiation where DNA is harmed, followed by uncontrolled growth during promotion and malignant evolution in progression. Inside cells, oncogenes accelerate division like a stuck gas pedal, while broken tumor suppressor genes fail to stop it. Coupled with metastasis, where cancer invades tissues, enters blood vessels, evades immunity, and colonizes distant organs, this sequence defines cancer's lethality. We'll explore these hallmarks together. Looking forward to connect with you.